Today, a ruling on controversial arrest involving ICE agents in Colorado.
A federal judge says ICE must obtain a warrant to arrest non-citizens, and only when the immigrant is deemed a flight risk can they arrest without a warrant. The nursing student detained by ICE after this traffic stop in Mesa County last June was one of the plaintiffs in the lawsuit challenging the ICE practice of warrantless arrests. The judge ordered the government to refund the student for her expenses following her detention and said ICE must now demonstrate that it is complying with the law. The judge wrote it is against the law to arrest someone without a warrant if officers fail to consider whether that person is a flight risk, saying, quote, no reasonable officer could have reasonably concluded these plaintiffs were likely to flee before a warrant could be obtained.
They've just been picking people up in mass raids with no probable cause determinations whatsoever. This judge said, you've got to stop, you've got to follow the law, and that's super important for people across the state.
The Department of Homeland Security issued a statement saying, quote, this activist ruling is a brazen effort to hamstring the Trump administration from fulfilling the president's mandate to deport the worst of the worst criminal illegal aliens. What makes someone a target for immigration enforcement is if they are illegally in the U.S. In a separate case, a federal judge in Denver ruled that more than 500 people held by ICE in our state are eligible to join a class action lawsuit. That suit challenges an ICE policy that denies bond hearings to anyone who entered the country illegally.